Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important case which is based on a problem which is faced by a number of the assessees due to the non-consideration of the various forms not considered by the CPC which are available with the CPC at the time of processing of the returns of the assessee under section 143 subsection 1. The present case relates to Form 67. Form 67 is filed to take the benefit by the resident individuals for the tax which is paid outside India. Just to avoid the double taxation, Form 67 is being filed by the assessee. If we go strictly by the rule 128 sub rule 9, then it says that the Form 67 is to be filed with the return of income. But now even the amendment has been made, and the amendment says that the form can be filed up to the end of the relevant assessment year. But even if this change has come, the CPC is not giving the benefit of the forms filed beyond the date on which the return is filed, but before the date on which the order under section 143 subsection 1 is passed. So what should be the stand of the revenue in this case, and what type of decisions are coming in respect of this issue? This case throws light on that. The present case is decided by Chandigarh ITAT A bench in the case of Ashish Sood versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 131 ITR Tribunal at page number 436, and the date of the judgment is 23rd April 2024. The present case relates to the assessment year 2020-21. The assessee filed his income tax return on 21st September 2020. The assessee could not file Form 67 with the return of income. But when the assessee realized that the assessee has to file the Form 67, the assessee filed the Form 67 on 18th October 2021. As per Article 25, Sub-Article 2, Clause A of the Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement between India and USA, the assessee can get the benefit of the taxes paid in USA by filing the Form 67. Since in the present case, the form was not filed with the return of income, so the CPC passed an order under Section 143 subsection 1 dated 24th December 2021 by denying the benefit of double taxation avoidance agreement and by ignoring the Form 67 to the assessee. The assessee pleaded before the CIT appeal that the CPC was having 2.5 months to verify the details filed in the Form 67, but the CPC, in spite of verifying the details, just on the venial breach that the assessee has not filed the form with the return of income, denied the benefit of the Form 67. The CIT appeal also, by making a very casual order, said that the taxes have been paid in a alien country and the particulars of which were not available with the assessing officer for the verification, so the assessee should not get the benefit of the taxes paid in the USA. When this matter came before the tribunal first of all said that the version of the CIT appeal that the taxes have been paid in an alien country is not correct, because the taxes have been paid in a country, that is USA in the present case, with which the Government of India has a treaty, that is Double Taxation Avoidance Agreement, and according to Article 25 Sub-Article 2 Clause A of that treaty, the assessee should get benefit of the taxes paid in USA by filing the Form 67. The tribunal said that in the present case, the form was available with both the authorities below, but they did not take the pain to verify that. The tribunal said that in the present case, the CIT appeal should have verified the details in the Form 67, which he has not done. So the tribunal remanded the matter back to the CIT appeal to verify the Form 67 and to give the benefit to the assessee of the taxes paid outside India within a period of 10 weeks. Although this is a much desired relief for the assessee, but in the whole scene, that just because of becoming very strict and because of some technical mistakes of the assessee, the CPC is creating the demands of lakhs of rupees for which the assessee has to waste its time in the litigation, because the assessee is not getting the benefit from the CIT appeals also, because whatever the CPC is holding, the same is being withheld by the CIT appeals. So the only forum which becomes for some relief for the assessee is that the tribunal, but it takes a lot of time for the assessee, because filing a appeal before the CIT appeal is like going to a black hole in which no one knows that how much time they will take to decide the matter. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Ashish Sood versus Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 131 ITR Tribunal at page number 436, and the date of the judgment is 23rd April 2024. Thank you, friends.